We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. All right, riding around town, stack of vehicles. Careful, careful, careful. For any intersection right here, orange stage, orange stage, orange stage. Brake, brake, brake. What? Did somebody do something correct? What? Ooh, baby, we're gonna have some fun with this one. All right, so we're going through this area, okay? So we're in orange stage right now because we're going through an intersection. Great, let's go. Now we're in yellow stage, having a good time, but we're still kind of zoned in, scanning for any threats. All right, so right here, with my situational awareness, I know that there's an intersection. I also see how the grass is separated right there. Okay, so the grass is separated. You can see that right there. That means there's obviously a place for vehicles to go in and out. So you start putting these clues and these patterns together, right? That's what you're doing. You're trying to figure things out. But right here, we have terrible line of sight. We can't see past these vehicles. They're blocking my vision. They're blocking everything. So you should be in orange stage. You should be prepped and ready. And it looks like he is. Amazing job. Amazing job. This is a perfect example of progressive brake pressure with great situational awareness. Nobody's waiting till the last second, fighting for the position. Nobody's arguing. Nobody's honking horns. Nobody's waiting till the last second, then have to be like, oh crap, I need to stop because he's not paying attention to me. So we got to smash these brakes. No. Prepped and ready. Situationally aware. Seeking out and recognizing hazardous situations. So there's that side of the vehicle. Boom. As soon as you see that, look at it. He's already prepped. He's already prepped. Yeah. Already prepped. So we see the side of the vehicle. Now this person wants to go because this person right here is coming. Where can they go? Where can they go? They're going to get into our lane. So it's going to be a path of travel violation no matter what. This person already committed. If this person just stays right there, possibility of getting hit. They don't want to get hit. They're going to take their chance. They see an open gap. They're going to go. So they're going to do it. You hear how the bike just kind of slowed down? Interesting. Interesting. And look it. We slowed down to almost a stop so this person can go. And we're not gunning it. We're not going like, yeah, what'd you do that for? Because that's going to put you in a hazardous situation. He maintained his space cushion. However fast this person's going to go and pick up speed and get to the speed limit, we could do that easily because we're on a motorcycle. So when we're sitting back here, we're like, oh man, I had to slow down to 10 miles an hour. I was going 45, but I slowed down to 10. This sucks, man. You suck, man. I'm going to make sure you know about it. No, just be like, oh, I can get to 45 within an intersection's distance, like 30 feet. I can get to 45 and 30. It's not a big deal. It's actually kind of fun. I get to go through the shifting. I get to go through everything. Acoustic or aesthetic outdoor is welcome. Thank you for the dollar donation. Appreciate it. But guys, don't get so upset by these things. Did a great job, Smart Rider, right here. Boom. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Smart Rider. If you've been riding around without gear, well, you're not a very smart rider. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.